Busy travel season is already underway with more passengers ready to get out of town, especially with spring break in full swing. Fox 46's Jamal Goss joins us live from the airport now. Jamal, things are really ramping up before Easter Sunday and the spring breakers.
Yeah, that's right. A year ago today, the airport would have been a ghost town, but it's a completely different picture now that vaccination efforts have ramped up in the past few months.
It's a sense of relief for some passengers flying out of Charlotte Douglas International Airport.
I'm fine. It's a year later.
Jacqueline Engel survived COVID and is traveling to see her family in Philadelphia.
I'm just not as afraid as we were a year ago because there's just too much data out there.
18% of the nation has been fully vaccinated, and that number makes her feel safe. The CDC says the risks are lower for people like Kyle Fricks and Eric Bays, who have both been fully vaccinated.
I'm excited that I can actually travel now and feel safe. I think there's always going to be some kind of level of wearing masks that we're going to need to maintain just to, keep people safe and things like that.
More than 2 million people have been through TSA lines at the airport since January, with an average of more than 19,000 daily local travelers flying out. That's up from when the pandemic first started. Amanda Holsworth says before she decided to travel, she asked for her doctor's advice.
One of them was, "You'll be fine," and the other doctor was very apprehensive about us traveling, but we just got the N95 masks, and that's what we'll wear on the plane.
Sean Pitts is headed to Vegas for spring break, and although the CDC is advising people like him to get the shot before they travel, he's on the fence about it.
It's nothing that I'm interested in doing myself. I've had several family members to do it, but also had a family member pass 2 weeks after getting the shot. So, yeah, I got mixed emotions when it comes to the vaccine.
Now, the CDC is advising against all travel, but they say if you do decide to venture out and you haven't received the vaccine, you should get tested for COVID 1 to 3 days before your trip and 1 to 3 days after it's over. Now, health officials are also recommending you quarantine for 7 days. Reporting live tonight from Charlotte Douglas International Airport, I'm Jamal Goss, Fox 46.